Step number 1. Grab your smartphone device, laptop, or desktop computer. Step number 2. Go over to this website here. Step number 3. Collect your earnings. As easy as that. Take a look at this. This platform has paid out over $10,000 to its members, and as you can see on this page here, people from all over the world are getting paid on a daily basis. And you can be just like them, making money with no investment needed, without doing any hard work at all, and as you've seen, no matter where you are coming from. The only thing you will have to do is watch this video through to the end because I will explain everything. I will walk you through the sign-up process, show you how to make money with the aforementioned site, and as a bonus, I will give you tips to earn even more money and another platform you can use to maximize your results. So stay tuned. Just before we start with this tutorial, guys, as always, make sure you tap the like button down below if you're enjoying my content and want to see more. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications for more Make Money Online videos that are to come. And with that, let's now get into it. Alright, so the first site I want to show you today is also the one that you have seen in that intro, and it's called lightgpt.com. The very first thing I want to show you on this platform is just some of the benefits that this site has. You first off can see that there are over 8 ways to get paid on this platform. This is quite important, meaning that you don't just watch ads and get paid for that, but they offer other means to make money as well. Albeit, it's worth noting that watching ads, in my opinion, is by far the best option, which is why it's also the most popular means of getting paid on this site, as is seen to the right here. And by the way, the video ads are not some low-quality, boring ads you see most of the time. They're actually quite good, and more importantly, the advertisers pay LightGPT a lot of money for them, meaning that you can get paid a lot by watching them in return. Anyhow, the next benefit this platform offers is that you don't need a lot of money made in order to be able to withdraw it. You just need 50 cents, as you can see, which is awesome to say the least. Many platforms require you to make much higher amounts of money before you can actually get to collect it. Speaking of getting paid, you can see that this site will pay you in cash or Bitcoin. So for cryptocurrency fans, this site is awesome too. There's no limit to how many people you refer to this site, and by the way, referring people is a nice way to earn some extra cash. Before we move on to the site, something I really wanted to share with you guys are the reviews. They show more than I can that people are enjoying this site, and more importantly, that it's actually legit. And as you can see, people for sure like LightGPT. It has a rating of 4.4 stars with over 1,000 reviews, proving that it is 100% legit and not a scam. With all of that said and done, let's get to what you need to do when you come onto LightGPT in order to get paid. The very first thing you guys want to do is sign up and create an absolutely free account. To do that, just click on register right here. On the next page, you will need to enter in your username, email address, and password. The latter you will need to retype as a confirmation. You will then need to click on a particular icon to prove that you are not a robot. Tick these 2 boxes here and finally click on register to create your brand new account. Once you log in, this is how everything will look. And this is all that you need to do in order to start making money with this site. You will first click on Earn Money right over here, and depending on what you want to do to get paid, you will choose one of these options. For those of you who want to watch ads, you will need to click on PTC right here. And you will then be taken to another page where you will click and watch various ads in exchange for money. Another way you can get paid that I'd recommend is through the use of surveys. Even though they do get boring after some time, they do pay really well, which is in the end why I recommend them. Lastly, guys, in order to withdraw your money, all that you need to do is click on Wallet here first, then scroll down and click on Withdraw, and you will be able to get paid. The next website I have for you guys in order to make some good money online is this one here called bucksinside.com. As promised prior, I do have multiple platforms to show you to get paid, because in that way you'll be able to maximize your results. The first thing worth noting about Bucks Inside is that they will pay you instantly, as is said right here, so you won't be waiting around to get paid. Once you've made some money, you can withdraw it immediately. And as you can see, you need just $2 made so you can get paid. A bit of a higher threshold than the previous platform indeed, but it's worth noting that it's still insanely low in comparison to the competition. The next two features this site has I really love, and I think you guys will too. First off, as you can see near the bottom of this page, this platform will pay you in a bunch of different ways. Be it PayPal, Payza, or whatever, you will get paid. And secondly, this works worldwide, literally, as you can see on this page here. There are people from all over the world making money with this website by just watching those video ads. And you now get to be one of them. To sign up, just click on the register button in the upper right corner, then enter in your username, email address, which you will need to retype, choose your currency for deposit, then choose through what platform do you want to get paid. And lastly, when you were born. When you enter all of this data, just scroll down and click on register to finish the process. When you guys log into your brand new account, this is how it will look. Now, to view those ads so you can make money, all you have to do is click on View Ads up here, and this platform will then display ads for you that you can watch and get paid as a result. Now, the last site I will show you today, guys, is called coinpayu.com. This platform is more of a bonus site, mainly because it will pay you in cryptocurrency. It's for those of you who prefer crypto over cash, but I would nevertheless recommend all of you watching to try this site out. You can see here it will pay you through Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Cash, and many more. On this site, once again, you get paid by viewing advertisements, but that is not the only thing it has in common with the previous platforms. If you scroll down a bit, you'll also see it has fantastic reviews. Said reviews coming in from literally all around the globe, from North America to Europe, Asia, and beyond. To further solidify this site as indeed a legit one are these payment proofs, which you can check out by clicking here. And something that I really like about them is that you can click on these addresses and see that they are actual legit payments, not a scam or anything like that, and that is a very nice addition. Moreover, you can check out payments for the other available cryptocurrencies, so not just Bitcoin per se. Once again, guys, to get started with this site, you just have to create an account by clicking on register or join free right here, and that's it. You can start viewing those ads in exchange for money. For those of you who want to make even more money, then be sure to check out one of the two videos visible on the screen right now. And with that said, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, then be sure to leave a thumbs up below. I really appreciate it. And so you don't miss out on future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.